Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are all doing well and in good state of health. I warmly welcome you all in grade 5. I hope you are all excited for the new academic year. Hope you are as eager as I am to dive into some amazing learning adventures in science. So, I am your science teacher and I will teach you science. Well, we are going to start our today's lesson. As you know, this is our first video lesson. So, before starting our lesson, you have to do an important task. You have to open your book's title page and then you will mention your name with ID on the title page. After doing this, now we will learn about the objectives for today's lesson. So, for today's lesson, our objectives are: you will be able to know about classification of living things, importance of classification, 5-kingdom classification system, and names of kingdoms. Today we are going to start our first unit, and the name of unit number 1 is classification of living things. In 4 class you have learnt about living things. Do you know what are living things? Okay, I will tell you what are living things. Living things means things that can move and breathe. We can say plants, animals, and humans are living things. Now, the next term is classification. So, what is classification? I will tell you what is classification. Classification means grouping of living things. Okay, here you can see a picture that contains many animals. But these animals are different from each other. How these animals are different from each other? These animals are different from each other according to their movement. Some animals can walk on the land. Some can crawl. Some can fly. And some can swim in the water. According to these features, they are all divided into different groups, and this grouping is called classification. Everything in the world can be divided into 3 groups. Number 1 is living, means animals or things that are still alive. Once alive means animals or things that were alive in the past but not exist at that time. Never alive means that things that are non-living things. Okay, next is biological classification. Here is a question: who are biologists? Scientists who study living things are called biologists, and this is the important point that you have to underline on your book page number 2, and you will learn this important point. Next question is, what is classification? In the previous slide I have explained this term. What is classification? Classification means grouping of living things. Or you can say biologists classify living things by dividing them into groups in a process called classification. An estimated total of 7 to 8 million types of living things are present on the earth. This is also an important point and you have to learn this. Okay, Next one as kingdom. So here is a question. What is a kingdom? Do you know what is a kingdom? Okay, I will tell you what is a kingdom. A large group of living things is called kingdom. All living things are classified into 5 main kingdoms. And the name of kingdoms are 1. Monera, 2. Protista, 3. Fungi, 4. Plants, and 5. Animals. As you can see in the picture, here in the kingdom of animals, there are animals named eagle, mouse, frog. In plant kingdom, there you can see flowers and trees. In kingdom fungi, you can see mushrooms here. And in kingdom Monera, you can see bacteria and other microorganisms. Same in the Protista, you can see Euglena and some other microorganisms. Okay, that was our today's lesson. Hope you have understood the term classification, kingdom, and the name of kingdoms. Here is the summary of our today's lesson. Everything is split into 3 groups: living, once alive, and never alive. And classification means grouping of organisms. Living things are classified into 5 kingdoms, or living things are divided into 5 kingdoms named Monera, Protista, fungi, plants, and animals. That is our today's lesson. Now, there is your homework. You have to read book page number 2 and you will learn important points that I have told you and that I have mentioned in the slides. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.